Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for January 1st, 2026. Happy New Year. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Plain Classics by Bill Murphy, and despite the title, this is not a classic Sudoku. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some arrows in the grid, and the digits on the arrows must repeat somewhere in the indicated direction. So since 1 is on this arrow, somewhere along this diagonal, there must be a 1. And that's it. Those are the rules. So let's start with the 1. 1 is going to have to go in this box somewhere, but notice 2 and 3 are also going to have to go in this box. So that gives us a triple. And we can fill that in straight away. Now this one, I'm kind of going to skip around, I think, in this one a little bit. This one can't go here now, because we know the 1 in this box is in one of these cells. It also can't go here, so it must go there. 4, 5, 7 here must go in these cells. And in general with this rule, you can have repeats. So there's nothing about the rule itself saying both of these can't be 2, for example. It's just the way that Bill has set it up, we can't. So 6 and 3 here must go in these cells, and just like the 1, 3 can't go there because 3 is already in this box. And that's got to make that a 3, so we have a 3 for the clue. We can clean up these a little bit. Alright, let's look at these now. These are 2, 5, and 8. That's not 2, that's not 5. These are 1, 6, and 9. And we may not get as much going in this direction, at least immediately. We are going to rule 5 out of this cell because of the triple here. And that will place a 5. And actually, I missed this down here as well. The 1 and the 3 here resolve this. And this resolves this clue. And then the 7 is going to come down here. Alright, that was good progress. These are 5, 8, and 9. Not super helpful yet. This column is missing 1, 2, and 4. This can't be 1 or 2. So this is a 1, 2 pair. Now this can't be 1, this can't be 2. And that's going to resolve. This is a 3. This can't be 8, so this is the 8. That makes this 5 and 9, which makes that 6, 9, 6, 8. Oh, not 8. 2. 3 and 8 here. This is 9. This is 7. 8 and 9. And we're done with all the clues. Except for that. We needed a 1 there. So all the clues in the middle, these 2 still need to be resolved. And you'll notice he didn't give us digits on these. So we're going to have to figure out what they are. So let's take a look at them. Whatever this digit is, let's color it green. Where does it go along this diagonal? Well, it can't go in the same box, so it must go here. So what that means is whatever's there has to be the same as this. So it's a 3 or an 8, and we have a 3 here. So that's going to resolve. Can do the same sort of thing here. This is going to have to be an 8 or 9. This one's not resolved yet. Let's see, 8 does have to go there, and now it is resolved. So that takes care of all that. And at this point, we are just doing classic Sudoku. So we have 6, 7, 9 here. Eight in this column has to go here. We've got 8s there. That's a 4, 7 pair. This row is not as interesting as I would like. Or maybe it isn't, I'm not seeing it. 9 must go here. We've got 9s looking into this box. This now is 3, 4, 5, and this is the only one that can be 5 from those 5s. 3, 4, 7, and 6 there. These are just 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's got to be 4. Not those. And that. And then this is 3, 6. This is 1 and 2, which is resolved. Clean that up a little bit. This is 6 or 9, and there's 6. 7, 8 here. 4 is resolved. This is 2, 4, 6. This is 3 and 5, which we can do. That resolves 3 and 6. And to finish off, 1, 7, 2, and 6. That's the solution. As usual, I feel like I say this all the time. A very gentle introduction to this variant. Bill provided us with a lot of given digits on the arrows and a limited amount of space where those clues can be satisfied. So we're repeating triples a lot in this one. You can do a lot more complicated stuff with these arrows, and Bill kind of hints at it with these. But as an introduction to this variant, it's very good. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.